What if I told you there is a camper in Japan with a hot spring bath carved from cypress wood, walls that slide open like the doors of a temple, and a second floor that rises out of the roof at the press of a button? Sounds impossible, but that is exactly what is happening right now on Japanese roads. The mobile luxury market in Japan has quietly reached a level that makes mansions look outdated. We are talking about machines with tatami floors and heated stone bathrooms, vehicles engineered to survive earthquakes and typhoons without losing a single degree of comfort, and rolling homes that fold, expand, and rebuild themselves in under 2 minutes. These are not concept sketches or animations. These are real vehicles, registered, insured, and driving on public roads today. Today I am going to show you the 8 most incredible campers ever built in Japan, and I promise you, what you will see at number 1 will leave you completely speechless. Number 8. Toyota HiAce Vertex. We kick off this top 8 with something that looks almost ordinary from the outside, and that is exactly the point. The HiAce Vertex is built on the most trusted commercial van in Asia, but step inside and the illusion collapses immediately. The floor is real tatami. The partition between the sleeping area and the kitchen is a sliding shoji panel that glides shut with a whisper. The roof pops up on gas struts to create a second sleeping berth for 2 adults, and a lithium battery bank hidden under the bench seat runs the induction cooktop, the refrigerator, and the air conditioning for 3 full days with no external power. Every centimeter is calculated. Storage disappears into the walls. The dining table folds into the floor, and when you park it on a Tokyo street, nobody has any idea that a complete Japanese home is sitting inside a van worth around $80,000. That is the Japanese philosophy in one vehicle. Say nothing, do everything. Quick thing before we continue. We are trying to reach 1,000 new subscribers by the end of this month. It takes you 2 seconds and it costs you nothing. Hit that subscribe button and let us get there together. Now, number 7. Number 7. Nissan Caravan Mountain Base. Nissan looked at the modern traveller and asked a very different question. What if the camper was not a bedroom, but a base camp? The mountain base answers it with a rear section that opens into a covered outdoor workspace, protected from rain and wind on 3 sides. The entire interior wall is a modular gear system where skis, climbing rope, fishing equipment, and camera cases lock into place with a click, so nothing shifts, nothing rattles, and nothing gets damaged on rough mountain roads. There is a rugged desk with satellite internet, a heated seat, and a power system designed to run laptops and drone batteries at altitude in freezing temperatures. The suspension is lifted, the tyres are aggressive, and the ground clearance lets it climb forestry roads that would stop a normal camper cold. It is not built for campsites with electrical hookups. It is built for the places that do not have roads on the map yet. Number 6. Nuts RV Crea Evolution. Now the scale changes completely. The Crea Evolution is built on a reinforced Toyota Camroad chassis, and it sleeps 6 people comfortably, which sounds normal until you learn where this vehicle is tested. Hokkaido, in winter, at -20 degrees Celsius. The entire body uses a double-layer insulated sandwich panel construction, the same principle used in cold storage warehouses, with heated water tanks mounted inside the insulated envelope, so nothing freezes overnight. The windows are double glazed with integrated blackout blinds and insect screens built into the frame. There is a full wet bath, a 3-burner kitchen with a proper sink, a dinette that converts into a double bed in about 15 seconds, and a solar array feeding a battery system that keeps the diesel heater running all night in silence. Priced at around $140,000, the Crea Evolution proves something important. In Japan, comfort is not a luxury feature, it is an engineering requirement. Number 5. 8OZ Olden Plus. And here is where the Japanese approach starts to feel genuinely obsessive. The Olden Plus is built in Aichi Prefecture, and it carries a hydraulic slide-out extension that pushes the living room outward the moment the vehicle is parked and leveled. The floor grows, the ceiling stays high. The proportions of the room suddenly feel like an apartment rather than a vehicle. Underneath that floor is a heating system that circulates warm water through pipes buried in the subfloor, so the surface you walk on barely ever feels cold. The bathroom has a rain shower head and a drying function that pulls moisture out of the air so towels are dry by morning. The kitchen counter is a single piece of engineered stone, and the automatic leveling system uses 4 independent hydraulic legs that read the ground angle and correct it without you touching anything. Park it on a slope, press 1 button, walk into a perfectly flat home. If you're enjoying this so far, Do me a favor and hit subscribe. 1,000 new subscribers by the end of the month is the goal, and you are 2 seconds away from helping. Now let us keep going, because it gets much stranger from here. Number 4. Kanto Autozil 520 Nobel. This is the flagship, the vehicle Japanese manufacturers point to when someone claims the country does not build serious motorhomes. The ZIL 520 Nobel stretches nearly 8 meters, and it is finished to a standard that genuinely embarrasses vehicles costing 3 times as much. Hand-laid wood veneer on every cabinet face, indirect lighting hidden in ceiling channels so no bulb is ever visible, a rear master bedroom with a fixed double bed, individual reading lights, and a wardrobe with a mirrored door. There is a bathroom with a full-height shower, a separate toilet compartment, and ventilation that cycles the air automatically. But here is the detail that tells you everything. Every cabinet latch, every drawer, every hinge is engineered to stay completely silent while the vehicle is in motion. No rattle, no creak, nothing. At around $200,000, the ZIL Nobel is not selling square meters. It is selling the absence of annoyance. Number 3. Toyota e-Palette Living Edition. And here is where things stop making sense in the best possible way. Toyota built the e-Palette as a fully electric autonomous platform, a box on wheels that drives itself with no driver behind the wheel. Then someone asked the obvious question, what if you lived inside it? The Living Edition turns that box into a mobile room with no cockpit at all. No steering wheel, no dashboard, no driver seat facing forward, just a living space with panoramic glass, a bed, a work surface and a lounge, because the vehicle handles the route by itself. You set a destination in the evening, you sleep, the camper drives through the night at a steady, silent electric pace, and you wake up in a completely different prefecture, with your coffee already brewing. No fuel stops, no fatigue, no hours lost. It transforms travel time into sleeping time, and that single idea might be the most valuable feature on this entire list. Number 2. Mitsubishi Fuso Canter Expedition. Forget campsites, forget paved roads entirely. The Canter Expedition is built on a 4-wheel drive truck chassis with a 3-point subframe mounting system, which means the living cabin can twist independently of the frame when the vehicle crosses broken terrain, so the walls never crack and the windows never shatter. Japan is a country of earthquakes, typhoons, landslides and volcanic terrain, and this vehicle was built with all of it in mind. It carries a water purification system that can make questionable water drinkable, a diesel heater, a generator, and enough tank capacity for 2 weeks completely off the grid. Inside, it is surprisingly warm. Wood paneling, a compact but genuine kitchen, a proper bed, and a small dining area with a window that frames whatever mountain you happen to have parked against. It costs upwards of $300,000, and it is regularly used as a mobile command base during natural disasters. It is a home that refuses to fail. Number 1. ZIL Grande Ryokan Edition. And we arrive at number 1, a vehicle so specifically Japanese that nothing else on earth compares to it. From the outside, it is a clean, elegant motorhome. Then it parks, the stabilizers drop, and it begins to unfold. The side walls extend outward, the roof lifts hydraulically to reveal a full upper floor with sliding glass panels that open onto a balcony, and then you step inside and understand what has actually been built here. This is a ryokan, a traditional Japanese inn compressed into a vehicle. The main floor is tatami with a low table and floor seating. The walls are shoji screens that slide away to merge every room into one open space. And at the rear, behind a sliding wooden door, there is an afuro, a deep soaking bath carved from solid hinoki cypress, filled with heated water and releasing that unmistakable cedar scent into the air. Yes, you heard that right, a real cypress hot bath, inside a camper, with a window that looks out over whatever landscape you decided to park beside that day. The upper floor becomes the sleeping room, with futons that roll away in the morning to leave the space completely empty again. Everything is controlled from a single panel. The heating, the water temperature, the lighting, the glass that turns opaque at a touch. Priced well beyond $500,000 and built strictly to order, the ZIL Grande is not a camper that copies a mansion. It is a camper that decided mansions were asking the wrong question entirely. These campers are not vehicles, they are a philosophy on wheels, built by a country that treats space, silence, and stillness as things worth engineering for. Now tell me, which one impressed you the most? Would you sleep while your camper drives itself across the country, or soak in a cypress bath at the edge of a mountain road? Let me know in the comments, and if you have not already, hit subscribe and help us reach 1,000 before the month ends. See you in the next one.